Hi guys, welcome back to my sister's channel, and I am Rose and I am back. Thank you for watching us. Thank you for clicking on this video. It means a lot to us. Thank you for choosing to support us. Please share this video with your friends and family and strangers, if you may. And like and subscribe. And comment what you think and what do you guys want next. It would be good to know.
I need you back on it, girl. Riding like a pony, girl. It's all yours, baby. It's all yours, baby. Don't think I'm cheating on you, girl. Don't think I'm creeping on you.
Okay, today we're gonna do a video on how to know if a girl likes you, because I feel like this was a great way to do it, because
back in high school we didn't have that.
I graduated high school last year, okay? So
like,
I'm a little fresh out of high school, okay?
Like,
I'm an introvert, so that already fucked me up in high school. Like, even now. This is not about us being shy. Okay, so let's get into this video.
yeah.
The first clue about this, how to know if a girl likes you. She would look, like, if I like someone, I would look at you when you're not looking though. Like when if you're not looking, let's believe I am. If you feel like someone is staring at you, it's most likely.
If she
and if your friends act funny when you're around,
like smiling at you, they looked at her and they looked at you. Okay. Smile.
In my case, but like I'm doing this for like girls who are shy or like don't like to confront anyone, like myself. If I like you, I'm gonna ignore you. I know it's crazy because like how do you just ignore someone you like? I do it all the time.
She get jealous when you flirt with other girls.
Yeah, you should get jealous. Yeah,
she won't talk to those girls. This is how I am. Like,
you still like that?
Yeah.
It's just like very touchy. Like oh my god, it's you. Ouch. But then again, there are people I'm not touching with, but I don't like you like that. Okay, so this is the best way to know if someone likes you. Like if she tells you straight up that I like you, then she likes you, okay? And if she's always smiling when she's talking to you,
and then she shows off her body,
she asks you a lot of questions, she likes you, bro.
Well,
if she wants to get to know you, know everything about you, like why you talk like that.
Like a good way for a guy to know that like I like them, but I don't really like a lot of people like that though. To know like if I really like you, I won't talk when you're around. I won't talk a lot. Yeah.
You're one of those girls like when you like someone you just want to be pretty all the time.
No, I'm not saying I want to be pretty. I want to be pretty. I won't talk to nobody.
I remember like I used to get butterflies in my stomach. Like,
yes, I was like that.
I used to. I don't know where this. I don't know. Like
I was like that back in
2014,
2015.
I used to get butterflies in my
early 2016.
I don't anymore.
I used to be like this. Remember?
I don't remember. You never told me this shit. Oh, yeah. You guys know this part.
You know, like right now I'm looking at like. So I used to like you, like.
This is us telling everyone our issues by telling them how to keep someone like. Okay, so I think let's just. Okay, I think
we're off topic.
I think this video is gonna be how to know if a shy girl
likes you.
Okay. Yeah, this is better. Okay, because this is a big one. If she plays with her hair when she's talking to you, like
and
you know,
licks her lips.
Yeah.
If she compliments you, like I don't compliment guys like that.
It's like, oh, you look good in this jeans. Like I tend to compliment women. I'm like, oh my god.
I like when women compliments me.
Do you ever compliment women?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
I think I like women compliments me more than men.
It's good both ways. No, nobody compliments your hair more than white men. I work around a lot of white people. Like, when some of them are white, and they were like, oh yeah, hair looks nice. I'm like, thank you. It's nice. It's nice. And so they were like, oh, my granddaughter does her hair like that all the time. It's like, oh, that's nice. And just like this guy and this lady came, I was checking them out, and she was like, oh my god, my granddaughter does her hair like that all the time, and like she is so fancy, she never wears something twice. No, because like her parents spoil her a lot.
Oh.
And she was like, you know, she's so fancy that they name her Beyonce. Like, not Beyonce, but Beyonce. And that's a really nice name.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was like, that's a really nice name. Like, if she cares about how you look at her as a person, then she might like you. Because I don't think that if you don't really like someone, even if you don't want them to like you anyways, like, you wouldn't care, like, how, well, like, I don't care what you think about me. Like, I don't want to be with you anyways. I feel like that. So if she really cares that what you think of her, how she carries herself, like, yeah, and you can know if someone's like she makes fun of you a lot, or like, ooh, or if she tends to insult you, some people love like, some people likes to bully.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say bully. Bully's like a strong word. If she like teases you a little bit, like she like, ooh, you're ugly, you this, you that, she might like you. Yeah. I do call some guys ugly and I don't like them, so don't. Yeah. It's not me. If she wants to know your relationship status.
I have trust issues. Like, now I'm working on it.
I do too. I think it's how we grew up, how we see others. Like, I don't think we know any. Like, I think I can say that. I don't think know any. Like, we know anyone who's like a really faithful person. Yeah. We don't. I don't know anyone who. I mean, now I do. Yeah. Now I do, because I see like a lot of people that are like, my girlfriend is this, my girlfriend is that, or like the way they express their feelings about their girlfriend, even when they're not around. I really like that. So I'm like, thank you. Okay guys, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. It was nice filming this video with my sister. I learned a lot today, and she learned a lot also.